Hello friends, I am Sanjeev Kumar Nair presenting a tutorial on how to build an Android application. This is the part 1 of this tutorial. First of all, I would like to discuss the important prerequisites. First, Eclipse, which you can download from eclipse.org. Second, Android SDKs, which again you can download from developer.android.com. Third is the basic knowledge of Java and XML. The contents which I am going to cover in this tutorial is how to create new Android project in Eclipse, important files of an Android project, Android activities and creation of new activity, layout files in an Android project, adding various elements in a layout file. Now let's start with creating a new project. Go to Eclipse, click on the file menu, go to new and then Android application project. A new Android application window is opened where you have to give your application name, here I have given the name as my first app. Project name, by default it takes the same as application name, and the package name is taken as com.example.myfirstapp. Let's change it to a bit. Here I am. Now the minimum required SDK is Android 2.2 and the compilation will be with Android 4.4 KitKat. Nothing is to be done over here. Now go to next. Again next. Here you have to give an image file for your launcher icon. I'm taking the default one as mine and go to next. Here you have to choose the activity type, whether you would like to have a blank activity or full screen activity or master detail flow, navigation drawer or tabbed activity. I'm going to take and choose a blank activity. Go to next. Here the activity name and layout name which you have to give, and the default one is main activity as activity name and the layout name comes as activity_main. Let it be the same and go to finish. Now Eclipse will generate the necessary folders, necessary files, everything required for creating your first app. It will take a bit time. Let it take, and here you are. What you can see here is the My First App folder is created and all the required source file, the folders, the layout, the manifest file, everything has been created by Eclipse. Now let's see which are the main important files of any Android application. First one is the Android manifest. This manifest file, you can see, gives the information regarding the package name, the version code, the version name, the minimum SDK version, the target SDK version, etc. The next file, which is one of the most important one, is activity main.xml file, that is the default layout file. Here you can see the graphical layout of the layout file. The code is displayed in this section, that is activity main.xml. The results, graphical result, can be seen here. Here you can see a text view which gives a statement of hello world. You can now add more of elements like button as per your requirement. Here you are with your button, checkbox, a radio button, etc. According to your need, you can give the required layout for the first screen of your app. Now when the app runs, this is the first screen which is being displayed in the app. You can also change the background image, for which you just select the layout, go to the background section, in the properties window, select the drawable and the images which you have added over here. Now here you can see the background image has been changed. The next important file is the Java code file, that is main activity.java, from where the activity is given the commands which is to be run on any click of a button or choice of a any text or choice of menu and so on, option button, etc. Now here what you have to do is the required code you have to insert wherever is necessary and according to your need of your app. And in this way, today we have learned the important files of an Android app, how to create a basic Android app, and manipulation of the folders and files in an Android project. After these contents have been covered, I would like to give a closure to this tutorial, and in the next part I would like to include more of them in a detailed manner. Thank you very much for giving time for this particular tutorial, and hope you would like the same as I have enjoyed in creating it. Thank you and bye bye.